Triple Q's had a nice short today, showing the results if you have a 100 share setup in your algo. Going back to August 2019, I want to show you a formula though, what you would do in your algo testing to compound. How would you compound this? You can see it's up 19,551, $1,900 drawdown, 324 trades, $60 average trade profit. That means 60 cents per share on average, and pretty good day trade strategy. How would you compound this? So if we right click and we go to studies, edit strategies, one thing you can do is you can double click on this. Instead of taking a 100 shares, you could say you started with 50,000. So you say 50,000 plus net profit to the point that each day it looks at the net profit times 4 for day trade margin divided by the closing price. This is aggressive approximation and something you could put in your formulas. 50,000, what you start with, the net profit is how much you have after each trade, and then you multiply that times 4 for your day trade buying power. It's a day trade strategy, and then that's how much capital you have divided by the close for the trade, and you say okay. And once again, it's just a rough approximation. Let's see what happens when you compound profit starting with 50,000, and I'm going to pause the video while that updates are updated really quickly. So 1,025,889. This doesn't include slippage and commission. So now this drawdown is bigger, but you're adding contracts as you go. So your base per 100 shares was only $2,000 drawdown, but you're adding a lot of shares. You're trading what, 12,467 shares there, and so significantly higher drawdowns dollar-wise as you compound aggressively. And you see the strategy did really well in here, but then it had some chop. And you know, the more contracts you trade, the bigger the dollar drawdown you're going to have. And so yeah, still 324 trades. And that is how you'd set up a compounding formula for a rough approximation of how well your strategy would do if you aggressively compounded and traded your maximum amount of capital each time plus a $50,000 starting value.